I'm going to show you how to make money in this video. If you don't want to learn how to make money, you can scroll. So here are some things you can do to make money. But before I tell you the things, let me tell you a story first. Sonia here. Sonia, this fine girl, she came to me. She said, Mr. Conti, I don't want to do a shower. I don't want to do hook up. I said, okay, I will tell you. But I'm not just going to tell you. I'm going to tell you and many other boys out there. It's not an easy way, but you can do it. In this current era, you have to understand one thing. You must be someone of value. Someone of what? Someone of value. You must be someone of value. And she said, explain. That's okay. Someone of value in simple terms, it means somebody that can solve problem. If you are able to solve problem, I told her, so now if you're able to solve problem, you can make money in this current era that we are. It's okay, oh. Okay, oh. So can you tell me examples of problem I can solve? I said, okay, Sonia, I'm going to tell you. And Sonia said, thank you. I said, okay, number one, online problem. You have to participate. Online problem. So I told Sonia, if you want to solve problems that are online, there are a lot of problems out there. A lot of online problems. Now, if you are going into online problems, if you want to solve online problems, you are going to go into two categories, or you are going to go into one of these two categories. Number one, under the online problem, we have, it's either you are teaching people, just the way I'm teaching Sonia and many other people how to make money. It's either you are teaching people. People have this problem. They want to make money. They want to do something. They want to learn biology. They want to learn language. Chinese people are searching how to speak English. English people are searching how to teach French. If you know how to teach French, you can come and solve that problem for them. A lot of people are learning how to go into poultry business, how to train fowl, how to train fish, how to rear cattle. If you have an idea or you know you have a solution for them, then you are going to go under the you are going to educate you are going to educate those people. But if you don't know how to teach people, if you cannot solve people's problem by teaching, you know there are a lot of problems. I told you, and you are going to go into two categories. You are funny. You're a funny somebody. You know how to make people laugh. You know how to tell stories. You are going into the entertainment enter. I don't know how to spell. Entertainment niche. You are going into entertainment niche. So it's either you are teaching how to cook, and if you know how to tell stories, beautiful storytelling, and for you to make money from these things, since you have been creating value, let me tell you the bad side. For example, you know how to teach, but teaching is not your thing. You know how to shoot me, but it's not your thing. When times get hard, like when you go to post all your educational videos, views not they come. You know, you go there depressed and you go there demotivated. So another important factor in this online problem solving scheme is you have to have passion for it. You have to have passion. You have to have passion for what you are doing. So if you are educating, you have to be passionate about teaching. If you are if you are into this, you have to be passionate also. It's just like footballers. They pay them for waiting they like to do. They have passion for football, and then they are paying you because you're entertaining them. You understand? They are paying all these people they barber, all these people they cook. They pay them for those views. They have passion for barbering. People that take pictures, they have passion for photography, and they still pay them for the picture. So that's number one. You solve online problem. Hope you understand. For you to solve online problem, you create value for them, and you must have passion for what you are doing. That's number one. Number 2, physical problem. Problem full ground. Now you don't know. There are a lot of problems that you can benefit from. Let me tell you something. If there is no crime, police will not be active. Police no will get job. If to say crime not day, police no will get job. If to say sickness not day, doctors no will dey relevant, they no go get job. Now because they dey solve the sickness problem, now it make doctors dey relevant. Police they catch criminals, I make them dey. You understand now? You understand? So that's it. So you have to look for a physical problem that you can solve. For example, now people like to eat every day. Everybody survive with food. I say, for example, now this area where you dey, you dey area when we say they don't used to sell. Let me say they don't used to make owo soup there, and that region they like owo soup. Do you know if you start making owo soup, they could patronize you because you don't solve the problem of owo soup for them. You don't solve the problem for them. Yes, you don't solve the problem. So you get a lot of problems. For example, now you be person where they stay student area. They don't take lights. You be person where they stay student area. Eh? Oh God, I'll go take continue this video now. Anyways, if you like the video, I'll complete it in the next video. Just let me see your comments. Let me know you are following.